Imagine a world where the homes we live in and the food we eat are no longer products of traditional manufacturing. A world where technology can build our houses layer by layer and print our meals with the touch of a button. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this future is closer than you think? Welcome to our deep dive into the revolutionary world of 3D printing. Today, we're exploring whether this cutting-edge technology will forever change housing and food production as we know it. From constructing affordable homes in record time to creating personalized, sustainable meals, 3D printing is poised to transform industries that impact our daily lives in profound ways. So, let's embark on this journey to uncover the potential and possibilities of 3D printing. Could 3D printing revolutionize the way we build our homes and produce our food? Let's find out. Before we dive into its impact on housing and food, let's first understand what 3D printing actually is. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing is a process where objects are created by adding material layer by layer based on digital designs. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often involves cutting away or molding materials, 3D printing builds objects from scratch, allowing for intricate and complex designs that were previously impossible or too costly to produce. The journey of 3D printing began in the 1980s with the creation of simple plastic models. Fast forward to today, and we have printers capable of working with a variety of materials, from plastics and metals to concrete and even biological tissues. These advancements have opened up a world of possibilities. For instance, desktop 3D printers are now common in homes and schools, enabling anyone to create custom objects. Meanwhile, industrial-scale printers are revolutionizing manufacturing and construction, and bioprinters are pushing the boundaries of medical science. The precision of 3D printing allows for the creation of highly detailed and functional objects. Each layer can be as thin as 1/10 of a millimeter, ensuring that the final product is both strong and lightweight. The versatility of materials used in 3D printing is another key factor driving its adoption. From PLA and ABS plastics for everyday objects to titanium and stainless steel for aerospace components, and even concrete for construction, 3D printing adapts to various needs and industries. This technology isn't just about making things faster or cheaper. Now let's talk about one of the most groundbreaking applications of 3D printing housing. Traditional construction methods are not only time-consuming and expensive, but also resource-intensive. 3D printing offers a transformative solution to these challenges. In recent years, companies around the globe have successfully printed entire homes using large-scale 3D printers. For example, in Dubai, the world's first 3D printed office building was completed, showcasing the potential for rapid, cost-effective construction. The process is straightforward yet revolutionary. A giant three-dimensional printer extrudes concrete layer by layer to form the structure of a house. This method not only speeds up construction but also reduces material waste by up to 60% compared to traditional building techniques. Moreover, three-dimensional printed homes can be customized to fit the specific needs and preferences of their inhabitants. Whether it's optimizing for energy efficiency, incorporating unique architectural designs, or using eco-friendly materials, the possibilities are endless. Imagine entire neighborhoods built in just a few days, providing affordable and sustainable housing solutions to millions around the world. In areas plagued by natural disasters or housing shortages, three-dimensional printing could offer a lifeline, delivering safe and secure homes swiftly and efficiently. The real-world impact of 3D printed housing is already being felt. Communities are benefiting from reduced construction costs, shorter build times, and the ability to design homes that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this?
But the revolution doesn't stop at housing. 3D printing is also making significant strides in the realm of food production, promising to transform how we create and consume our meals. From creating intricate chocolates to customized pasta shapes and even fully assembled burgers, 3D food printing is bringing a new level of personalization and creativity to our plates. Much like traditional three-dimensional printing, food printers work by layering ingredients precisely to create complex and visually appealing dishes. This method not only enhances the presentation, but also allows for precise control over nutritional content. Chefs and culinary experts are embracing this technology to push the boundaries of gastronomy. By using three-dimensional printers, they can experiment with new textures, flavors, and presentations, creating dining experiences that were once unimaginable. But the potential of three-dimensional food printing extends far beyond just aesthetics. It's playing a crucial role in addressing global food security and sustainability challenges. Scientists are using three-dimensional printing to develop plant-based meats and lab-grown proteins, reducing the environmental impact of traditional livestock farming. With three-dimensional food printing, meals can be tailored to individual dietary requirements, ensuring optimal nutrition and minimizing waste. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have specific health goals, three-dimensional printing can create meals that meet your exact needs. Imagine walking into a grocery store and printing your personalized meal on the spot, with ingredients sourced locally and prepared to your specifications. This vision of the future could revolutionize the way we think about food production and consumption. Three-dimensional printing isn't just transforming housing and food, its applications span across numerous industries, each benefiting from the unique capabilities of this technology. In the field of aerospace, three-dimensional printing is enabling the creation of lightweight yet durable components for spacecraft and satellites. NASA is even experimenting with three-dimensional printing habitats on the Moon and Mars, paving the way for sustainable space exploration. In healthcare, bioprinting is revolutionizing medicine by enabling the creation of living tissues and organs. This technology holds the promise of personalized medical treatments, reducing the need for donor organs and improving patient outcomes. The automotive industry is also reaping the benefits of three-dimensional printing. By producing custom parts on demand, manufacturers can enhance vehicle performance, reduce production costs, and minimize material waste. The integration of robotics and 3D printing in manufacturing plants is streamlining production processes, allowing for faster turnaround times and greater flexibility in product design. This synergy is setting the stage for a new era of innovation and efficiency. As technology continues to advance, the potential applications of 3D printing will only expand. From creating sustainable cities to revolutionizing personalized medicine, the future of 3D printing holds limitless possibilities. As we've seen today, 3D printing is not just a technological innovation, it's a catalyst for change. From the homes we live in to the food we consume and beyond, this technology is reshaping our world in ways we never thought possible. But the true power of 3D printing lies in its ability to democratize creation. It empowers individuals to bring their ideas to life, fosters innovation, and opens up new avenues for solving some of the most pressing challenges facing our society today. The future is being printed, and it's a future we have the power to shape. So what do you think? How could 3D printing change your life or your community? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and inspire each other to build a better tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing insights into the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching and stay curious.